Solar Industries unveils Bhargavastra, a micro-missile defense system designed to counter drone swarms. Bhargavastra boasts a rapid detect-to-intercept time of under 16 seconds and can engage up to 64 targets simultaneously, effectively neutralizing coordinated drone attacks. This system strengthens India's airspace security against evolving drone threats. Navantia, a leading Spanish shipyard, offers India its Juan Carlos I-class amphibious assault ships. Spain's Secretary of State for Defense, Amparo Valcarce, confirmed plans for construction in India through technology transfer. This Make in India initiative aims to strengthen domestic shipbuilding. The versatile design can cater to Indian Navy's needs, enhancing maritime capabilities. This collaboration could mark a significant milestone in regional security. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL) strives for self-reliance in defense with an indigenous cargo plane, fearing exclusion from the MTA program. HAL advocates for a homegrown solution to replace aging fleets, aiming for maintenance advantages and future upgrades. The IAF's plan to replace Antonov AN-32 and Ilyushin IL-76 fleets post-2030 offers a promising market. The government faces a choice between indigenous development or established foreign collaborations. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is set to deliver the first indigenous LCA Tejas Mk-1A fighter jet to the Indian Air Force by March's end. The upgraded variant promises enhanced capabilities, advancing the IAF's modernization efforts. HAL also aims to deliver the twin-seater trainer variant promptly for pilot training. Negotiations for an additional 97 jets underline the Tejas Mk-1A's pivotal role in the IAF's fleet. India strengthens defenses in Arunachal Pradesh with climate-controlled bunkers at Sela Pass. Designed for soldier comfort and combat efficiency, they integrate eco-friendly tech like solar and geothermal energy. DRDO's Project Dhruv reduces stress, promoting mental resilience. Innovative 3D-printed bunkers offer swift deployment and withstand tank hits. This initiative is part of India's comprehensive border security strategy, encompassing various bunker types.